Hey there, it's Fernando from Seriously Smart Technologies. 10 years ago, I found the way I was doing sessions was not adequate for the clients that I was working on. Most were practitioners that never worked on themselves, so they needed another level of session, a Seriously Smart session. So my Seriously Smart session has evolved over these 10 years as I have evolved from being a part-time practitioner to a full-time practitioner where I do this 6 days a week. And I have much wellness success with my clients. Then, in 2021, I realized that there are times when a 2-hour session is not possible, so I needed to simplify my process to less than an hour. Plus, new practitioners, when they saw how I do sessions with 3 monitors, they were a little intimidated. So for 3 years now, the Seriously Simple session has been available, and I would love to show you how I can do sessions in 40 to 50 minutes when it is appropriate to do so. Please join me on June 10th as part of the Mandalay 12-week series. Please click the link below for all the details.